Phonetics, Series 4, Part 1. After looking at the phonetic symbols of consonant sounds in the earlier parts, we are now going to look at the phonetic symbols for vowel sounds. As you all know, there are 5 vowels in English language: A, E, I, O, U. But these 5 letters have 20 different sounds in English language. So there are 2 types of vowel sounds. One are called diphthongs and the other is monophthongs. There are 12 monophthongs. Monophthongs means a single sound. Mono is one. So you have a single sound. And diphthongs, which are also known as vowel glide, are 8 in number. And 12 and 8 monophthongs and diphthongs make 20 vowel sounds. Let's have a look at the symbols of monophthongs first. The symbol I with 2 dots is used for the sound long E. E, as in words like seed, feed, meet, fee, leave. And the next one is I, and the sound is E, short E. It is used in words like sit, fit, bit, hit, fill. If you listen to these sounds very closely, you will feel the difference between the long E sound and the short E sound. So, fit, feed, bit, bead, live, leave. And on the basis of your pronunciation, you will be able to know what the word is, what is the spelling of the word. If I say live, it means L-I-V-E. And if I say leave, it means L-E-A-V-E. The next phonetic symbol is that of the sound E. And it is written as E. But the sound is E. In words like bit, rest, best, November, chemical. So it is bit, not bad. You have bedroom and not bad room in your house. Many a times people are not able to speak the word bedroom correctly. So please pay attention to the sound E, bit, bedroom. Then the next one is E, broad sound E. And look at the phonetic symbol. The words are bag, back, mat, mango, attack. Then the next one is A sound. It's half A, you can say, and it is used in words like account, drama, father, doctor. It is the most commonly used vowel sound in English language. And be very careful in the pronunciation of words like account. It is not account but account. And it is not drama but drama. And not father but father. So father, a sound which comes at the end. Father. Then the phonetic symbol of inverted V, and the sound is a very short, very brief a sound. It is used in words like blood, bus, subject, bun. Then the next one is full a sound, and it is represented by this symbol which looks like 3 and 2 dots. It is full a sound in words like bird, serve, word, early, journey. Can you hear the a sound here? All right. Let's move over to the next one. A. It is written with A and 2 dots, and the sound is A. Half, car, charm, bath, alarm. Moving over to the next one, it's U, and the symbol is U. It's short U in words like full, wood, book, cushion, bullet, and followed by U, a long U sound. U with 2 dots, as in words like tube, rule, foolish, music, approve. So, do you hear the difference between short U and long U? Full and fool. Try to practice it again and you will be able to hear the difference. The next one is O, and it is represented by something that looks like inverted A. It is used in words such as hot, not, box, top, bond, revolve, and it is followed by a sound which is broad O. It is represented by the symbol inverted C with 2 dots. In words like all, call, horse, force, law, talk. Here also, many people make a mistake in the pronunciation of this broad O sound. So instead of saying law, you must have heard someone say low. But if you say low, the meaning will get changed. So if you are talking about law, it has to be a broad sound, law, or tall, not tall, because the 2 words and 2 different pronunciations have different meanings also. So if you do not want to create any confusion in the mind of the listener, then you have to be very clear with your pronunciations. After going through the monophthongs, that is single vowel sounds, We are now going to look at the diphthongs, which are also known as vowel glide. It means you begin with one vowel sound and then you move over to the next vowel sound as if you are gliding. So there is a shift from one vowel sound to the next vowel sound. The first is A, and it is represented by the symbol E and I. The words are lake, make, bake, shake, faith. So sometimes, you must have heard people say beg or leg or shake or get, but that is a wrong pronunciation. You have to say bake or lake or shake or make. There is A-E sound. You begin with A and then you shift to the next one, that is E sound. Again, the next vowel sound, and that is A-E. And it is represented by the symbol A and I. So you have words bite, ice, right, high, tight. Then oi, O and E, and it is represented by the phonetic symbol inverted C and I. So look at these words: boil, noise, choice, voice, appoint. Then the next one is ER, and it is represented by E and invert I and inverted E. You have words like cheer, clear, beard, near, courier. So here, can you hear the ear sound? Here, near, fear. All right, let's move over to the next one. It is A, and it is represented by the phonetic symbol E and inverted E also. So you have words like chair, bear, affair, wear, share. So usually you will see that the last letter R is not pronounced in these type of words. You don't say chair or fair or share, but you have to say chair, fair, share. So you can hear the a sound. Then a and u, as in words like coat, boat, noted, open, bone. Here you must be able to hear the a-u sound. Usually we are used to say coat and boat and open, but it is not o, it is a-u sound that is to be used in these type of words. So you don't say go, you have to say go. Go there. Wear a coat. Sit in a boat. Got it? Okay. So these are some of the diphthong sounds. The next diphthong sounds are u-a and a-u. a is represented by the symbol u and then inverted e. You have words like sure, tour, sewer, dual. So here you can hear the a sound. And remember here, we do not say sure or tour, but the correct pronunciation is sure or tour. And then au sound, as in words like house, loud, out, now, cow. So you have a and u sounds here. You must have seen how these sounds are pronounced. Now, after knowing the symbols, we are going to look at the phonetic transcription of some of the words, the list which is given in your syllabus. I'll be showing you some words here with their phonetic transcription, and that will help you to prepare the remaining list of words for phonetic transcription. So the first word is thank. Now, if you pay attention to the sounds, it is made up of sounds like th, e, n, and k. Therefore, it is written like this. First, you write that symbol of theta, that is th, then broad e, then it's a nasal sound, so n with a tail, and k is represented by k. So this is how you have to write the phonetic transcription of the word thank. These, the, e, and z. So this is how you are going to write the phonetic transcription of the word these. Next word is peace. So p, then long e and s. Peace. Machine. M, a, sh, e, n. Machine. Father. F, a, d, a. Father. Quality. K, w, o, l, a, t, e. Quality. It is not quality but quality. Then the next word, knowledge. Now here you can see that it is written as KN, but it has only one sound. 2 letters but one sound, and that is no. K is silent in this word. So it is n, o, l, e, j. Knowledge. And it is not knowledge but knowledge. There is e sound, knowledge. Next word, allow. A, l, a, u. So this is how the word allow is written in phonetic script. You can see the word on your screen. Town. T, A, U, N. Town. Then blood. B, L, very short and D, blood. Laugh. L, A, F, laugh. You can see that in the word laugh there are 5 letters, but when you write it in the phonetic script, only 3 symbols are used. So this is something that you must pay close attention to. Next word, morning. M, O, N, E, N. Morning. Then cushion. K, U, Sh, A, N. Cushion. And handkerchief. H, E, M, K, A, Ch, E, F. If you separate the sounds, then only you will be able to write the correct phonetic transcription. Next word is nuisance. N, Y, U, S, A, N, and S. Nuisance. And remember here that the phonetic letter, the phonetic symbol that is used for the Y sound is J, and you have long U also here. Another word is beauty. So B, Y, U, T, E. Then you have the word jealous. J, E, L, A, and S. Jealous. Then the next word, instrument. It is not instrument as usually you must have heard people say, but it is instrument. So E, N, S, T, R, A, M, A, N, and T. Instrument. Then you have the word bundle. B, A, N, D, L. Bundle. Figure. F, E, K, and A. As usually it happens that the last R is not spoken, and therefore in phonetic transcription it is not to be written. So it is not thicker but thicker. Next one is castle. K, A, S, and L. And then the word tax. So T, E, K, and S. Here also you will see that there are 3 letters in the spelling TAX, but when you write in the phonetic script there are 4 sounds, and therefore it has 4 symbols in the spelling of the word tax. So I hope with the help of this list of words given here, you will be able to write the phonetic transcription. For phonetic transcription, you can also take the help of any standard dictionary, because usually in the dictionary, the not only the meaning of the word is given, but also the phonetic transcription and the pronunciation of the word is also given in a standard dictionary. So I would suggest to all of you to refer to any standard dictionary when it comes to writing the phonetic transcription of the words. Nowadays, you can also use mobile dictionary or online dictionaries, and there, if you type the word, it will show you the meaning of the word, the phonetic transcription of the word, and of course, if you press on the speaker icon which is given there, you will be able to hear the correct pronunciation of the word also. And sometimes, UK and US, two different pronunciations are given, which means that sometimes in American pronunciation the word has a different sound, but here we are following the British pronunciation. Therefore, you have to go for the UK pronunciation. So you can take the help of online dictionaries or mobile dictionaries or any standard dictionary, and you can learn more about the phonetic transcription. And if you need more practice in that, if you need some more guidance regarding this, please let us know. You can write in the comment box, or you can send us an email also, and we will try to come up with more such videos where you have more explanation of English sounds if required. So I hope you have enjoyed this series of phonetics, and I'm sure you'll be able to now have some grasp over the subject, how to speak the sounds, because speaking sounds, as I said earlier also, is required in order to sound more clearer, and of course, it should not also lead to any kind of confusion or misunderstanding on the part of the listener. So keep on listening and keep on practicing these sounds. Have a good day.